The Kaka'ako Waterfront Park could be getting a makeover. KITV4's Brenton Awa has details on plans to transform part of the area into a light exposition.
Lights like these could soon become a permanent display in town. The Kaka'ako Waterfront Park is roughly 30 acres of grass hills and walking paths. There's plans to make 9 of those a family-friendly light exhibit called the Kaka'ako Illuminage Light Park.
We look to generate some positive gathering place activities at the park, and at the same time help us to sustain the operations and the maintenance of the park.
The Hawaii Community Development Authority says it costs about $1 million a year to maintain the area. It currently relies on agency funding, but the HCDA wants the park to sustain itself. To do that, it must first get authorization to negotiate with the potential developer, Illuminage Group. The company, originally from Japan, created this light exhibit for Christmas in Kaka'ako last year. If approved, the display could be up and running by September of 2014.
A park such as this doesn't require a lot of new structures. It requires setting up exhibits. It requires setting up ticket booths and comfort facilities for the users of the park.
Also in the plans are photovoltaic panels to power the park. Guests would see 2 types of lights, one called passive lights designed to move on its own, which could tell stories through light shows, and the second, interactive displays.
You might be able to get on a bicycle, a stationary bicycle, that will power the display and serve to animate and change that display as you see it in front of you.
Tomorrow morning, the HCDA will meet to make a decision as to whether or not negotiations can begin with the Illuminage Group. If all goes through, and there's a lot that has to, including community outreach, and if the park is developed, the HCDA says you'd have to pay a fee to get in. The beach access and walking paths around the area would still be open to use freely. Yanji, back to you.